We're back, it's 2023. Now we're gonna do a bit of a day in the life today at the shop. We've got some customers to meet, some leads to call, some shop orders to post. Now in the shop we have a 2020 Golf R for full package. We've got an S13 and we've also got a 1985 Porsche Carrera 911. Let's go have a look. Ataki Garage has gifted Bob a $500 voucher towards some detailing, maybe some paint correction, maybe a coating package on his S13. So we're going to go have a look over the car, see what Bob wants to get out of it and what we can achieve with that budget to bring this thing, you know, right up into 2023.
I've had it for 23 years, it's 33 years old. Original paint except for the bonnet, had a few scratches on the bonnet, so it's showing its age in certain areas. I haven't had it lowered, I haven't had it modified at all. I've had the engine completely rebuilt, the turbo rebuilt, that cost me $9 grand. My son works for Bob James, so I could have got fat wheels, fat tyres, a whole lot.
You just keep it in stock all the way.
It's kept in a garage all the time. I drive it maybe once or twice a week. I'm 80 years of age this year.
Awesome.
And everyone thinks it's my son's car.
Yeah.
Everyone hoots and toots me and gives me thumbs up as I go along the road. Everyone wants to buy it, but I know as soon as I get it, they lower it, they put fat wheels.
100%,
I could have done that myself.
Yep. And you don't see them in this condition rolling around anymore. You're right, they're always lowered, big wheels.
Yep.
And this is pretty special to me because I think I had a 93 Sylvia Q's, a black one.
Yep.
And I loved that car.
I want the car just to look, not so much as it came from the showroom, because I think that's a nearly impossibility to do that. But at least I keep it looking clean, tidy, and is as near to when it was built to what it is right now.
If I was to give you my recommendation, I'd probably, if you could, would maybe push it up to even just a crystal serum light package. What that will do is it will lock in the paint correction that we've done. It will make everything look fresher and cleaner. Yep. So we'll put it on all of your wipers, all of your headlights, obviously all of your paint, your wheel faces. These plastics will be polished, cleaned up and coated. It will mean for you that the car will stay cleaner for longer and it will have a permanent layer of protection on it, so you don't need to worry about polishing it or really waxing it for the next, 5 years.
It's a full house here today. We've just had Bob's S13 dropped off, so that's going to get in line for a decon wash after the Golf R. We're making our way through the Golf R wagon. As you can see, it's highly contaminated. We're having a bit of fun with our iron fallout here. Potentially lived a life outside, near a train line, who knows, but this level of reaction, we'll probably give it another hit with our iron fallout TARDIS and get that in for a polish. And our 1985 Porsche is done, ready to get sent back to Auto House. Right guys, on with it. As mentioned before, we have finished this beautiful Porsche here, 1985 911, or 964 maybe. We're still learning. Our friends at Auto House love to throw their collection at us. This is probably the 6th, 7th, maybe even 8th old Porsche that we've done. Thanks Lockie, thanks Peter. And we look forward to the next little project that we've got. Over and out for this one. This time it was a lot easier than the last couple we've had thrown at us. But yeah, on to the next and we'll see what turns up. GT3, maybe? We'll see.
So we have a new face in the building. It is James. Welcome on board, James.
Hello.
Nick and I had been chatting at the end of last year. We were getting quite busier. We wanted to kind of ramp up the business, take on more work, and we needed more hands. The timing just worked perfectly that our mate James was kind of finishing up as his old job. And we had a bit of a discussion. He's joining us, a bit of a trial for 3 months, and see if that kind of goes forward. I mean, how do you feel about coming on board here, man?
Let's just say it's been a 4-year interview.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, what were you doing before this?
So my background is car sales. Previously, I did just finish up with East Coast Customs. I was a sales assistant over there with them. Amazing company to work for. Just wanted to try my hand at something different. And the guys had an opportunity where I couldn't resist to actually take.
And the thing is, the good thing about this is you're not completely green to detailing. You know, you've got a nice car yourself, you're an enthusiast, you've polished cars, you've worked on cars, you've decontaminated cars, you've got your own polisher. So lucky for us, James came with some skills. We're just going to show him the ropes, get him upskilled a bit more. So for now though, you've got to struggle on the tools, mate, so it'll be a hard slog. But this is James. Welcome, brother. And that's it for the first week back for 2023. Right back into it. Guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel. We've got some interesting stuff coming up. We've got a Ferrari Testarossa coming in. That'll be an awesome video. So make sure you like, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next one. I should probably get back and help these guys do some work. So peace. See you later.